Well, here's the '06 Chevy Avalanche that is gladly donating its motor and transmission and other things. I've getting pretty close to ripping the engine out. Let's lift her up here. As you can see, I got the front off, most like the power steering pump and the alternator off. All the lines disconnected. I just pulled the wiring harness. It's right here. So there's the wiring harness, and I didn't have to cut a thing, so that's great. I'll end up reusing that and reducing it down for putting in the Scout. Yeah. And so a few more things to take apart, and then the engine and transmission and transfer case are ready to pull. So far the engine's looking good. Quick check of the rockers seem fine. Quick check of a couple of rods, push rods, they seem okay. Cylinders actually kind of, quick check. There's a little bit of a ridge, but mostly from carbon actually. And I don't see anything big and obvious in there, so that's great. Yeah, nice. Just banging out the cam bearings. Now what I'm doing is I am reflashing the ECU. So this is or PCM, this is the computer from the engine. So it handles the engine and transmission, all those sensors, and tells it what to do and all that stuff. So I'm reflashing it so that it removes the vehicle anti-theft, and as well as the catalytic converters out of the system. So to set this up, there's just a few wires for, giving it battery power, and then it's connected to a little ODB, that little plug that you have underneath your dashboard connects to that, which goes back up to the computer. And then some really nice guys on the internet built some software to be able to read off of the computer. And then this is called PCM Hammer, which does all the reading. And then this little guy here, this is called, what is it called? Universal Patcher. What it does is it allows me to turn on and off all of those codes that you hear about with your computer. They're called DTCs. Yeah, so that's it. And it's pretty straightforward stuff. There it is.